We've arrived at Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Mikey's going for it. It's 41 degrees out.
It's still gonna be cold.
He's gonna take you guys for a ride on it. We are here at Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. It's just after 12 noon. Bundle up. Are you nervous?
Not really.
It's the longest mountain coaster in East Tennessee.
Yeah.
And we're gonna wait a minute because there's a lot of people.
I'm gonna put this hat on.
Good.
Ho ho ho.
All right.
Zip up my head.
I think you're gonna be okay.
Yeah.
I think I might freeze down here. So we got here and of course everybody in the world just showed up as we did. There was nobody here when we walked up. It does show that you get a $4 off discount if you show your Dollywood receipt. So I'm hoping we can do that. This is right down the street from Dollywood, so that's pretty cool. There is an outhouse here, so if I have to pee from nerves of watching Mikey, this is what Mikey will be sitting in. I love you. Please come back to me safely. I will be happily watching from here on the ground where I like to. He'll be fine. He'll be fine.
One ticket?
Yeah, just one adult ticket, please.
Just in case. I love you.
Never know.
He better not leave me. I got the keys in this wallet. I'm good. They're decorated for Christmas. Are you ready, baby? Don't let me down.
Keep me safe, Santa. That's all I want for Christmas.
This is what it looks like.
Back down here, you got a big old patio. If you want to take a picture real quick when they come in, Lord.
There's Mikey getting on the coaster. Good luck.
I hope I get real good.
You feel good about it?
You're good like that.
Which way's the brake, babe? Babe, which way's the brake? Back. Say bye. Don't say goodbye. I'll see you in 10 minutes. 9 minutes, I think it says. I love you. There he goes. It's a beautiful day for this, though. I gotta get over here to film him coming down in a few minutes, but I really need to get in the sunshine, my goodness. Now this is the coaster, mountain coaster. In the fall they have it haunted at night on certain nights. And people, there are scare actors in there, so we've known for a while that this is the one we wanted to come to when it was time for Mikey to try the coaster. Oh, and there's rocking chairs. Awesome. They got a Christmas tree up. It's beautiful. The Rocky Top Mountain Coaster has it decorated for Christmas. Really cute. I also want to make it known that we got a $4 off discount for showing our Dollywood ticket on our phone from yesterday's visit to Dollywood. So instead of $18 for an adult, we only had to pay $14 for Mikey to go on this. So if you have a Dollywood ticket, save that. Bring it here. Get your discount. I don't see anybody coming down yet. I also want to make it known I feel a lot better standing in the bright sun. It's like 41 degrees out, but it feels so good when the sun is shining on me. When it's the shade, it goes right through my clothes and my jacket. And you won't be able to see this, but there's actually a part of the moon. The moon is like shining through the trees over there. It's only 12:30 in the afternoon, moon. Go to bed. Been out here for a few minutes now waiting, and no one has come down yet. So I know it's a long ride, but no one has been seen yet. So we're, oh, there's someone. It's not Mikey, but it's somebody. You did it! How was it? Was that fun?
Oh my god, you gotta do it.
Were you smiling the whole time?
Yeah, you should do it.
I can't. Not today. Maybe tomorrow.
It's a long ride.
I know. I was waiting in the cold for you.
Let's go outside. We'll talk. Alright guys, so I just got off the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. It was so much fun. It's my first time on. It went really fast and it was a lot longer than I expected it to be. There were times where I was going so fast that I had to pull up on the brake a little bit. But overall it was really fun and I had a good time.